Good morning, all of you. Today in this lecture, we do the revision of second part, that was a metal and non-metal, that was the properties of non-metal. First of all, see what is the non-metal. I already told to you what is the metal. Which element lose the electron? For example, already told sodium. They want to lose one electron, become stable. For example, chlorine, they want to take one electron. So that is a metal which one lose electron and which one gain electron. That is called a non-metal. Means what? Chlorine is a electronegative in nature. It become negative charge, it become positive charge. And metals are become electropositive in nature. And chlorine is a electronegative in nature. Now we study the properties of non-metal. Properties of non-metal. These are the which do not have a luster, which not give a luster, which not give a shine, which not give shine. But the exceptional case which give the shine is there, iodine and graphite. Iodine and graphite. I will tell afterward what is a graphite and a diamond. Yes, they do not show luster, but exceptional case iodine and graphite. Yes, show the thermal and electrical conductivity. Not show the electrical, thermal and electrical conductivity. They are bad conductor of heat and electricity, not conduct. But exceptional case, graphite is a good conductor of electricity. What is the reason behind? Afterward I will tell. Yes, they have not have malleability and ductile. That is a brittle in nature. When you beat with the hammer, it converted into powder only, not into the sheet and not into the wire. Yes, these elements may gain the electron forming negative ion. Already told the electronegative ions are there. That is the hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen. Mainly about 17 non-metals are there, and about which solid is there, exist in solid also, liquid also and gas also. Solid example, carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, these are the powder form. Liquid, that is the one only, bromine water, bromine, reddish brown in color. Mainly the metals are colorful in nature. All the chlorine is a greenish yellow in color. Yes, chlorine gas. Greenish yellow. Reddish brown. Bromine one. Oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, these are in the gaseous form. So non-metal exists in solid also, liquid also and a gas also. The brittle in nature. Sonority. They are produce the feeble sound, very less sound only when struck with a hard object. Yes. Now we see the graphite and diamond. Now we see the graphite and diamond. Yes, see. Carbon have two allotrope. Allotropes mean they have the two forms. One is a diamond and one is a graphite. Graphite. And one more is a Buckminster Fullerene. But now we see only diamond and a graphite allotrope. Allotrope means which are made from the carbon only, but their structure different. I already told to you, carbon have the valency 2, 4. How many electron will come? 4. According to Lewis dot structure. Lewis dot structure, you form the valence shell electron only in the dot form. For example, you try to make the methane, CH4, covalent bond. So in a diamond structure, one carbon attached with 4 carbons. And this again carbon attached with the 3 carbons. This also again 3. So every carbon 4, here actually 4 electrons are there, carbon. See. So sharing is there. Here also sharing, here also sharing, here also sharing. See. Sharing like this. Covalent bond only. covalent bond only. So all electrons are utilized in the formation of bond. But in case of graphite, hexagonal ring structure is there. Every carbon, yes, again these type of ring, same these type of ring down only. Hexagonal rings are there. And these form the bond what? Van der Waals forces. Van der Waals forces. जिसका कोई नहीं उसका Van der Waals forces. You already told H and H form the covalent bond, but H2 form the Van der Waals forces. So they are very weak forces, weak. That's why when you apply the force, these may start moving. It means the graphite is soft in nature. Soft in nature. Graphite is soft in nature, but diamond all electron form, strong bond form. That is a very hard, used to cut the glass. Used to cut the glass. And graphite used as a lubricant. Used as a lubricant in the machines. Yes. Here, see there. Every carbon make the 3 bond. 1 electron left, everyone. 1 electron left, 3 bond is there. 1, 2, 3. So when you apply the voltage, the electron move in positive direction, current flow. It means graphite conduct electricity because they have a free electrons. Loosely bound electrons. But diamond not have. That's why it is the exceptional case. Actually non-metal not conduct the electricity, but graphite only, which exceptional case conduct the electricity. So these are the two allotropic forms of the carbon. They made from the carbon only, but their structure is a different hexagonal structure. Here the tetrahedral, because one carbon attached with the 4, tetrahedral, or this was the hexagonal. Hexagonal structure is there. So these are the exceptional case, and graphite and iodine also produce the shine. Diamond also produce the shine only. Yes, so these are the properties of non-metal. In the next lecture, we discuss about the uses of non-metal, and next topic is the alloy. In next lecture, we do revision of these two topics. Thank you.